So about a few months back, I was told about T-Hub with a lot of people that actually introduced me to this. The IT Minister of Telangana, KTR, then of course all the people out here. I came here for the Gadget Guru Awards, was told about this and I was like, okay, must be typical incubator, some help from the government. I didn't expect this. This is absolutely stunning. Great environment, fantastic atmosphere, the community that's been built out here, this building itself looks absolutely awesome. But I think out of everything else, the most important thing about an incubator is the people behind it and the people in it. And both here get tick marked beautifully. It's a very infectious, live, energetic, full of enthusiasm environment out here. I wish I had been a startup and had come out here, because the chances that there will actually be unicorns coming out of this incubator right here in Telangana at the T-Hub is almost 100%. Great ideas, fantastic innovation, very enthusiastic people. I think this has been one of my most fantastic experiences in a very long time. Congratulations to everybody behind the T-Hub. Congratulations to everybody who's part of the T-Hub. All of you are going to go very far. So I came here today to do something radically different, marry two things that have never been married before, fashion and technology, style and technology. But actually, this marriage happened a long time back. Today, nobody buys an ugly device, nobody buys an ugly phone. If you think, the person who's watching this right now, think about the last product you bought. One of the main criteria you bought it is because it's beautiful, texture, material, look, feel, form factor, all of that is really critical. The spec war is over, the hardware war is over. It's all about design, style, and all of that is coming into technology in a big way. Today I came to talk about that. This was an amazing experience. The amount of people, it was absolutely jam-packed. There was only standing room only. But much more than the fact that it was crowded, it was the kind of crowd, very enthusiastic. I had a great time. It was supposed to be a 1-hour event. It's actually more than 2 hours now, and I'm still out here. So it's been a great experience. I hope to come back every single year to come and do this, and hopefully I'll see you again. So we have the Gadget Guru Awards. The NDTV Gadget Guru Awards happened here in Hyderabad, and the reason we chose Hyderabad, because I think this is the next big tech destination. I think in every which way, innovation, people with really good ideas, brains, and really moving forward at the speed of light is all happening here in Hyderabad. So if you're anywhere in India or anywhere in the world and you have a great idea, the best idea that I can give you, come to Hyderabad to make it happen.